Hello, friends. I am going to talk about Marie Kondo's method of um, going through your clothes. And this pile right here is a pile of clothes that my girlfriend's daughter, she's a fashion blogger, um, gave me with a bunch of shoes that I think my girls might like. Um, and these are the ones I've already had two different people go through and take a bunch of bags, but these are the ones I'm hauling to the food bank tomorrow to donate. I won't donate to secondhand stores and the women's shelter, but that doesn't benefit as many people as the food bank because the food bank lets people come and just take them for free. Now I've got a sleeping bag and a blanket in there, also for homeless that come through. And but I wanted to share like my by me going through my closet and sharing. I mean, there's some cute clothes in here. Sorry, they're all bagged up to leave, but there's some really cute clothes that people can use that are fun, and some of them are new. I just never wore them, and some of them are my girls' clothes that they went through, but most of it's just out of my closet. But my girlfriend's daughter gave me clothes, and a lot of them still have the tags on them. I I'm not sure, the styles are the same or whatever, and the sizes are, but I can take them in and use them. But a couple of them I really liked. This dress was really nice on, and I liked that shirt. And this shirt over here. So there were some really nice things, and then a lot of dresses that I don't normally wear dresses. I normally wear skirts and shirts, but she had a lot of really cute dresses, and these pants were super cute. I thought, but I just wanted to share that a lot of people are like, I don't like her way of doing the gratitude and thanking it and going through. But I realized today I was going to try and maybe have a yard sale. I've got so much stuff. So that's all the clothes. And then I've got the bag jewelry, and I've got all these tapes, and I have a bunch of boxes in the car or the garage. And I've got a bookshelf downstairs I want to get rid of, and this thing where I had my hats and scarves in the closet, but the kids are all gone, so I don't need it anymore. So it's a mess right now because I'm going through and getting rid of, but I just decided, somebody's blessings helped me get some clothes that are a little bit more updated and cute. And by them sharing with me, I thought, in turn I could share with others. You always need those funds, and yard sales are great, but some of the stuff I was going to donate anyway, but I thought, I'm just going to go take it and donate it all and bless some other lives. And I've already, like I said, I had several people come and go through it already. But anyway, so that method kind of seems a little extreme to some people, but I am giving gratitude as they're coming and as they're going. I'm grateful that I have gotten use out of them and that I could share with many others and then give them for free for people who were passing through in the food bank or whatever. But I'm also grateful for the ones coming in, and so I was kind of just a gratitude for when they come and when they go, and that's her method. She gives gratitude for it and thanks it for the service, and I'm giving great gratitude that my friend's daughter was willing to share with me. So anyway, check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and I'll type in and share more pictures of the cleaning out and stuff. But I just wanted to share that today. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.